Okay, let's go.
If you didn't know, each IKEA showroom has a story behind it. See, this showroom, the story is that this person is so artistic because they have Mona Lisa hanging. And look at all the picture frames. They travel a lot. See some artistic composition here. I'm telling y'all. Like, this person likes playing board games, working on the computer, and likes
It's a work from home mom.
What is this?
A work from home mom. Oh, Tyler, see, she's a mom.
What is this?
Stella!
She's from school and they're having a dinner right here.
What's the story behind this?
This is a student that just graduated from, I don't know,
University.
just graduated. All these pictures, it's all her. And then, it's fashion. She probably graduated from fashion school. Look at all this. It's all color coordinated. The whole room is color coordinated. That's how you know she was a fashion student.
No, she's Irish.
She's literally.
What's the story behind this room? It's a foreign exchange student.
I don't know. There's not enough information.
Yeah,
around here.
it's foreign exchange student studying here from what, Japan or Scandinavia?
Music because there's record players. There's records here and there's a record player.
Is it a woman
It's a woman. Look at the picture.
Okay, it's an audio file. So what's the story here?
This story is a man and his son.
A single dad? Oh my gosh, it's a sad story.
His son is artistic as heck. You see this? It's in
This is a single dad.
a single dad,
What, is he divorced or a widow?
divorce. Look at that. His son drew
Oh.
that.
Oh, the son drew it. What else do you wanna? Can you deduct? I think he likes hunting or what? He likes.
They live.
Oh, he likes hunting. Ye dear. Oh, wait. Look at that. It's signifies that he's looking for love. Oh no, he's
both
gay. He's gay. Look, they're two
This
bucks.
could be his son and him.
Oh, okay. Oh, yes, okay. Wait, but he loves plants. So what can you say about that?
He's a botanist. Botanist. Oh my god, maybe he's gay.
Oh yeah, he is gay. Shit. What's the story behind this?
It's Thanksgiving night. The turkey is in the pot.
The pan.
The child sits there and eats the food. They're probably a botanist too.
No. Oh, look. These are spices. Oh no, these are herbs. This is the wife. Okay. Why is her life much nicer than the dad's?
Ow, he's the rich.
She ditched him.
Look, it's them.
She's the professional. Oh, okay, it's the mom, the dad. No, okay. She remarried.
She took one of the kids.
Yeah, she remarried. This is her new family's home. Yeah.
I'm a middle-aged man. You see, he likes music. He plays the guitar.
He's probably like
He's probably
over 60 by now.
Look at all.
Oh yeah, look at that. He downsized. He's living in a.
He's very. That's him.
That was him in the good old days.
Yeah, that's him. That's his guitars now. They're up there.
Right. What do you say about this? Who's living in here?
I think a lesbian lives here.
Because of that. Okay.
The decoration is very lesbian oriented.
What? How could you say that? Oh my goodness.
It's just given lesbian vibes.
Really? Okay, why? Why are you saying this? Yeah. So is it a single lesbian or is it lesbian with a partner?
Single lesbian.
Oh, single. Looking for love.
This room belongs to a kid that likes soccer. You see all this? He's a champion in soccer. Probably age of 12. He's probably 12.
He's this is 80s vibe.
Probably 12 because he likes Minecraft.
Psychedelic, laser. Oh yes.
Minecraft and Teen Titans Go. I mean Teen Titans. Oh.
Minecraft.
I don't know.
He's a gamer. He's a gamer.
He's actually not 12.
No, he's a man child.
He is.
A man child lives here.
He is very sports oriented. His last name is Davies. He likes Messi. Hey, who said my last name? This probably belongs to a rich old woman. Old man. Because they can play this game for and whatever this is.
Scrabble. Okay.
They read a lot of books. They're probably a lawyer. I don't know. Maybe. I'm not really.
Lawyer.
Read some people. And they're Asian and white.
Asians are smart.
Asian and white. Yeah, here's the dad and his white family, and then the mom's family. His family probably has 2 kids. As you can see, there's stuffed animals and a tiny chicken. A lot of bit recording. I told you. That's it. That's the parent. That's the 2 kids.
They're aliens. They're green. They're green Martians.
Yeah, you can tell there's.
No. They're reptilians. Green
You don't have
reptilians.
to go that deep. This belongs to a teenage girl because you can see they're very social media active. That's her.
And
That's her.
it's pink.
And she ties her remote to the plant to this whatever plate.
This is her place. She crashes in it.
And she has left on the TV.
That's not part of the decor.
And kids because you can see them. This is the parent. That's all their kids.
All their kids. So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe not all of them. Married couple. This is them back in the day. That is them back in the day. Back in the day, all of them back in the day. This is her now. This is her now.
oh, she looks like a.
This is him back. Him now.
Academic. They look like
Him
academic. Oh, him now.
Now.
Yep.
Photography. He
Photography.
took all these pictures.
Oh, them before.
Them before, back in the day.
They're like a favorite room.
It's a gamer. This is where the teenager crashes and he plays his video games on this TV. Look at the phones. That's obviously
Yeah.
they're teenagers. Look, he's playing a game. Oh, it's blue. And then the parents crash. He's doing digital schooling, online learning. He's in the midst of doing his math homework.
There's no math. What is math in this?
He's in grade 4.